severe and continuous lapse in judgment. I do not expect to be forgiven. I'm just here to apologize. So some of you may remember I presented my pamphlet. I made a comparison of a ribosome to a Beyblade. And I want to apologize for that because I saw a lot of you cringe, especially Mary. And I just want to say I'm sorry for that. It's not like a Beyblade, it's more of a debit card swipe reader. See, it's multiple going through all at the same time. Anyway, just thought I'd get that out of the way. And we'll get on with the video. Ladies and gentlemen, the time has come to elect a new president. I am here to tell you why I should be that president. First things first, I'm going to address the slander that has been slung forth about me. This whole cancer situation, I'm going to address it. Yes, it is true that ribosomes are responsible for cancer. Now, considering this, a lot of cancers, god damn it. A lot of cancers are very rare and very treatable, such as testicular cancer, cervical cancer. They are very treatable, right? And very rare, so it does not happen that often. So that means that I always operate at the highest function that I can, except for those rare occasions when something goes wrong. Now, if you really think about it, the nucleus has the DNA in it, and the DNA is responsible for producing the proteins. So if you think about it, I'm just doing my job of producing those proteins. I read the codons, and I produce the proteins that correspond with those. So if you think about it, it's really the nuclei's fault, because they're the ones that have the DNA in them, which then copies into mRNA, or RNA in general, and then I produce the proteins through mRNA. Alright? So there's that. Also, special shout out to Jaden and Izzy for not dissing me in their diss track. Thank you. Very cool. Next thing on the agenda, that was really the only thing that was brought forth about me, so it's the only thing I had to address. So I would just want to give you a quick recap on how ribosomes work and whatnot. So the two subunits, the large subunit and the small subunit, they clamp around a piece of mRNA. The mRNA runs through it, and the ribosome reads 3 nucleic acids at a time, called a codon. And it matches an anticodon with the corresponding nucleic acids with their base pairs, guanine, cytosine, etc. And on those anticodons, there is a amino acid, and they get attached there, and it just moves along, and more amino acids keep getting attached until it forms a polypeptide chain. And that polypeptide chain gets folded into a protein, and those proteins go out in the body and form your organs. So remember that. Now, the next thing, I don't know. There wasn't a lot about me that was brought forth. That's the third time I've said that. So, I just want to leave you with this thought. Alright? The other organelles, I'm willing to bet that they won't admit to their wrongdoings. I'm willing to bet on that. Because all they're doing is trying to get in and do it for themselves. Whereas I am in it for you, the citizens of Soville or something. Whatever this was about in the first place. I am in it for you, not myself. You. That is correct. I'm just trying to stretch this out to 5 minutes because there wasn't a lot to go off of. But as this whole thing closes and we all vote for a new president, I want you guys to know, bring the bacon home and vote for Ribosome. Thank you. Please, no flash photography. Please, thank you very much for having me. It's been an honor. Thank you.